Hi, my name is Mark Lewis. I'm the owner of Lewis Power Equipment, located at 1307 Redwood Avenue here in Grants Pass, Oregon. Some of the features you should look for when buying a generator is buying a generator that is capable of doing what your needs are. You need to be very careful on, there's a lot of low-end generators on the market these days. They don't have circuit breakers. They have a lot of different variations in wattage that could damage your appliances or your sensitive equipment like TVs or computer systems, what have you, but you want to be real careful when purchasing. Basically, your higher end generators, you're not going to damage your equipment if you overload it. They have circuit breakers that will shut the unit down and not burn up your equipment. A safe place to be running a generator would be in a very well ventilated area. If you were to run the generator in your garage, you would need to have the garage door fully open and the exhaust from the engine directed definitely to the outside area there. You don't want exhaust emitting inside the garage. That could be very hazardous, of course. If you just want to plug some extension cords into the generator, you're going to probably looking at running possibly a smaller generator that you can get by just plugging in, say, a refrigerator, freezer, maybe some lights to use that way. Probably the best thing to do there again is to get an electrician to install what they call a transfer panel. This is a panel that is used when they install that. You would basically turn off the switch on your main panel, turn the switch on the transfer panel. The transfer panel is hardwired into your system. You would have one cord going from the transfer panel to your larger generator, which you would start that up, and that would go into your main home system. The purpose of turning off your main switch is so you don't backfeed into the system. Very important there, because if you're running that generator through your home system, you don't turn the panel back on, and that could backfeed electricity into the lines, which could severely injure, say, a Pacific Power employee working on your power lines. Probably the most common generator for home use is going to be 5,000 watts or larger, considering what all you want to run at one time. As far as ongoing maintenance, a good thing to do is just start that generator at least once a month and let it run for 10-15 minutes just to make sure that everything is operating properly and you are assured that it will indeed start and run well when the power does go out and you need that generator for a backup. The most common problem there again is a fuel related problem. A lot of people put the gas in the generator, they run it for a little bit, it runs fine, and then they put it into storage without running it. Then they go to use the generator, it won't start. They're very frustrated. We get the generators in here and find that it does have old stale fuel in it, which gums up the carburetor. A lot of times you can clean the carburetor. Sometimes it's so bad that you have to replace the carburetor, which can become an expensive repair. None of your portable generators are designed to run a heat pump system in a home. You would need a different type of heating if that's a necessity for you. Lewis Power Equipment has a wide range of generators available. The prices range from about $1,000 there. If you want something that runs your whole entire home, you're going to be looking at approximately $2,000 to $5,000 depending on your needs there. If there's anything we can help you with in the generator line, please give us a call. Our phone number here is 541-471-7827.